Good morning. I'm Sreerag of MBA S3 of Christ Institute of Business Administration. Welcome to episode 1 of our Finance Club's weekly news roundup. Every week, we'll bring you the biggest story from the world of finance. Simplified, relevant, and straight to the point. Whether you are a budding investor, a curious learner, or a future CFO, this is a go-to update. Why does this matter? Finance doesn't just live in the textbook. It shapes our daily lives, economies, and futures. By staying updated, you gain the edge to think critically, make informed decisions, and lead smart conversations. First, UK Supreme Court backs car finance industry. The UK Supreme Court ruled that car dealers arranging loans are not legally required to act in the customer's best interest. This decision comes as a relief to the auto finance industry, which claimed a threat of massive conversation, claims similar to PPI scandals. The ruling removes a major legal risk and stabilizes the market outlook for lenders and dealerships. Second, FCA to compensate for hidden commission. In response to the concerns about the undisclosed charges in car loans, the FCA, or the Financial Conduct Authority, is proposing a redress scheme for affected customers. Despite the Supreme Court ruling, this plan could result in payouts between 9 to 18 billion pounds. The move aims to protect the consumer trust and protect transparency in auto finance industry. Third, weak US job data rattles market. The latest US job report shows weaker than expected hiring, raising doubts about the strength of the American economy. This triggered volatility in the global markets and increased expectations that the Federal Reserve might cut interest rate sooner. Investors are now closely watching the Fed's next move as uncertainty grows. Fourth, gold prices hit record high. Gold prices soared past $3,340 per ounce, driven by investor demand for safer assets. Concerns over economic stability and possible rate cuts have been made gold more attractive as a hedge. The surge reflects rising caution in financial markets amid ongoing global uncertainty. Fifth, oil prices keep climbing. Oil continued its upward trend, supported by production cuts and EV trading tensions. Improved market sentiment and tighter supply have boosted prices, benefiting energy producers. However, analysts warn that the rally remains vulnerable to shift in demand or geopolitical disruption. Sixth, US imposes 25% tariff, escalating trade tensions. US has announced a 25% tariff on select Chinese goods to protect domestic industries. China criticized the move, warning of possible retaliation. The decision has raised concerns over renewed trade tensions and potential disruptions in global supply chains. Stay tuned, stay smart, and stay financially aware. Let's learn, grow, and navigate the world of money together. Thank you and have a great day.